Hi guys, in this video I'm going to solve your doubts on the question that is how to download QuillBot app on your laptop. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is you cannot download QuillBot application on your laptop, but in order to access it easily, you have a workaround. And that workaround is navigate to any browser on a PC that you usually use, go to the search bar and type in Chrome Store. Hit enter. Click on the extensions option from these and this is going to open up this page. Now navigate to search extensions and theme area and type in QuillBot. Then select this QuillBot option and it is going to open up this page. Now this page will show the rating of QuillBot and all these previews for your QuillBot extension. You can scroll down and see an overview, the rating and the details of this extension. Now, after you're done, click on the Get button just after QuillBot AI writing. This is going to quickly open up a pop-up at the top and it will ask you whether you want to add QuillBot extension to your browser. So, click on Add Extension button and this is going to quickly show a download icon. So, this is currently installing the extension. Now, as you can see, QuillBot extension has been downloaded onto my PC. Now you can have a real-time grammar suggestions wherever you write. Go to any website, write your text and apply the suggestions by clicking on this accept button here. Click on next and it will show you that you can instantly rewrite the way you want. You can go to any website, write your text and click the widget at the bottom right corner to rephrase any text you have. Click on next and click on agree and continue. Now as you can see, you can meet your new writing buddy here. You can click on login to my account or try in Gmail, try in Google Docs and see if QuillBot is working or not. And as you can see, I can highlight any text I want, right click, then click on paraphrase with QuillBot. Now QuillBot will paraphrase this selected text quickly. You can open any new browser and click on the extensions button, click on this show in toolbar button and whenever you're going to open a new browser, you can click on QuillBot and that will instantly help you solve any doubts you will have. Now, as you can see, I can click on this QuillBot icon and I can enable extension for mail.google.com, enable grammar checking for this site. I can even choose preferred English dialect and store my inputs to help improve QuillBot. You can also click on open sidebar and open this QuillBot sidebar and choose whether you want it to be standard or fluency. So that's how you download QuillBot app on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.